And how cool that the last one is an angel. So this is it. This is a pretty one. This is a mermaid. This is a cool one. This is a dog. Cute. This one is a frog.
It used to be a tree.
It used to be a tree, and the tree was blown down during the 2008 hurricane. So they sculpted this little cute lion from it. How cool is that? Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today we're doing... Sorry, I'm digging out my nose.
You're not gonna cut that, right?
No, I'm not gonna cut it.
I did.
Here in Galveston in 2008, as I told you before in a previous vlog, there was a
bad hurricane.
And what we're driving to look at is some trees that was blown down. What they did, instead of taking out the trees completely, they created like angels and different objects into the trunk of the trees, maybe just like a memory,
Like a tree sculptures.
like a sculpture, just to just a reminder of, you know, like the persons that passed away and stuff like that during the hurricane. So we're driving now to go look at some of those sculptures. So we're taking you guys along with us. And there is mother. And Tyler is here chilling. Tyler is not feeling too well. He's been extremely miserable. And he's having a little runny nose. I think he's having a little bit of a cold, but apart from that, he's okay with his little red lips. So yeah, that's what's up today. And I think we're also going to a park after we look at these sculptures. So it should be a fun day, right babe?
Mm-hmm.
So see you guys in a bit. So we're approaching our first sculpture. And it's this cute little lion right here, if you can see.
It used to be a tree.
It used to be a tree, and the tree was blown down during the 2008 hurricane. So they sculpted this little cute lion from it. How cool is that? Alright, so we're just gonna move on to the next.
Where the next?
Hey, say hey peeps. I'm wearing my cool glasses today. You like it? Okay, you're gonna take it off? You're gonna put it back? He's so cute. You guys, this is the other one. It's the hands.
Don't go inside.
It's right here. Oh, cool. So that's number 2. This is statue number 3. I think it's a pelican. That's cute. But this is a tree of different birds.
Yeah, that's a tree of different birds.
This one is cool.
This large live oak contains 17 bird and the branches and relief carving of several small plants and animals around the trunk.
Oh yes,
The
look.
butterfly. Alright.
But look at this big bird at the front. You see?
Yeah.
This is a cool one. This is a dog. Cute. This one is a dolphin with some mermaids, and some dolphins with a mermaid on the other side. This tree is huge. This one is a dolphin head. Wow. It's another tree. It's beautiful.
Are you sculpture touring?
Yes.
Yes, I live here. These are my birds.
Okay.
I just got home. Please come see them. They get lonely. They need to be oiled. I'm going to oil them tomorrow.
Okay.
So please come see them.
All right. Okay then. Thanks. She's so nice. This one is a guitar.
Look at it, never affected the whole.
This one is a frog. Okay, have his little. You have a little bag on her back. You're having fun. Oh my gosh. Tyler's eating a bit faster because he's teething. He's not feeling too well. But we're still having fun. He's there playing. Jello.
The lab is sculpture by the concrete basket of puppies.
Hey.
Oh, yellow
He's
lab with the
smiling.
Labrador.
It's Tin Man with a dog. Look. It's, I don't remember which movie Tin Man comes in. It's in Star Wars.
You have the...
Yeah, in Star Wars.
Okay.
This is a pretty one. This is a mermaid. So we're heading down to the last statue of our tour, just beside where we are staying. It's our last day here in Galveston, so we're just making use of the day and going to see our last statue, which I think it's our last adventure. So it's just right here. Aww, and how cool that the last one is an angel. So this is it. What a beauty. Okay you guys, so that's the last statue of our little adventure. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little journey with us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.